Today I'm showing you how to install Google Drive on your Windows 11 PC fast and easy. First, open your browser. Here, type to search Google Drive for desktop. Click on this first link. At the bottom left of the page, click Download Drive for desktop. Once it finishes downloading, open the setup file and click Install. Wait a few seconds while it installs super fast. After installation, click on this option to launch Google Drive. Click Sign In. This will automatically open up your browser. Log into your Google account and grant access. Now click on Add a new folder. Let me add on desktop so that whenever I want to add or send something from Drive, I use this folder. You'll see a new folder added to File Explorer called Google Drive. Google Drive will now sync with your PC. Click Open Drive. And that's it. Google Drive is now fully set up on your Windows 11 machine. Here, when I open my Drive, I will be seeing my files from Drive. And this other folder is where I can add my new files from the PC. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IT Next for easier tech guides every week. See you in the next video.